What's up, Bro Squad? Today, I'm here with my friend Reese. Right there.
What's up, guys? I'm Reese. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel, Reese Hammond.
Got 1 sub right now. He's trying to bring it up to 10. Okay, so today...
Go follow my Instagram, Gucci Supreme.
Yeah, he's plugging himself. So what?
Because I have no followers. Oh, ladies, if you like me, drop a like. And if you did drop a like because you like me, comment below.
Comment your number below.
Yeah.
Okay.
And your name.
Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be reacting to Jake Paul and Team 10's new song, Ohio Fried Chicken.
Yeah,
the
brah.
official music video. So
I haven't seen this before.
If you like this, I've never seen this.
Oh, yo, I need a hat. I'll be right back.
Okay, so we're going to get into the video.
Seen this video.
Jake Paul, March Lincoln Bio, Ohio Fried Chicken, bitch. We made this in one day. Tricky Rick, Bobby Slick.
Okay.
Ohio boys,
okay.
Let's hit it.
Oh my god.
Talking tongue.
They're just in
Chicken is what it's called. I got my truck, my overalls, just me and my boys.
No, they should have done Texas. Like, that's more country than Ohio.
No OFC. Sweep you off your feet. Please look up to me. We'll tell you what to do. Tender's the move. Get yourself some sauce. Yeah, you a boss. Oh, see, that's how we're living. Come around town, you'll find me sitting near a pretty girl with no care, no problem in the world, not even her hair. I think I found what I finally need. Chicken and a girl that's nice and they can slow it down or speed it up. I'm making my way to Ohio Fried Chicken, bitch. Honky donk, Ohio Fried Chicken is what it's called.
This is like a good quality video, just like so crazy.
Hey, it's on iTunes. Go buy it on iTunes.
They said I wouldn't make it. Now my chicken's naked.
Now my chicken's naked.
That's a dope band name.
I got my piggy, I got my gold, but I still need a little bow. I wanna make my family proud. I just wanna celebrate. I need a girl down the road, working all day. That's that Ohio Fried. Honky donk, Ohio Fried Chicken is what it's called. I got my truck, my overalls.
Oh my god. Like, you can't kick my balls, I can protect my balls and kick you at the same time.
Represent your country.
Bro, the pig though.
March Lincoln Bio. You need to count that shit quick. But didn't we grow up in a suburb? That doesn't. Bro, shut up, dude. Don't talk about that. Shit. My bad. My friends are gonna make fun of me, man. Shit. Alright. So, it's every day, bro. Peace.
That was funny.
That was funny.
He was late. Alright, guys, that was good. The click heels, the heel click at the end, and then when
that was pretty good.
Yeah, it was
they were like, get your sauce, you like a boss.
Yeah, get your sauce, guys. Get your sauce.
Okay, so that was a good video. Official music video in the bio. That was a good video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Go subscribe to Reese Hammond.
Yeah, bro.
You got to push it up to 10 subs today.
Yeah, man.
He got some funny quality. So
it's horrible. It's horrible.
Follow
it's from
Bro
2 years
Squad
ago.
On Instagram, merch link in bio.
Yeah, and what was I gonna? Wait, no.
Yeah.
I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, follow my Instagram, Gucci Supreme. It's spelled GUCCI _ SV. No, I did a V instead of a U.
Okay.
Because I'm
savage.
like that.
Okay, guys, that's
no,
the video.
Yeet.